Hey guys, this is Tim and welcome to the Tim G. Edwards Music YouTube channel. Today's guitar lesson, I'm going to teach you how to play the chord B flat. B flat on the guitar. This is without using bar chords. This is just the open B flat. So let's get started. Okay, this is a sound of B flat. Okay, to play B flat, you want to place finger number 1 on string number 1 of the 1st fret, and then finger number 2 on the 4th string of the 3rd fret, finger number 3 on the 3rd string of the 3rd fret, and then finger number 4 on the 2nd string of the 3rd fret. So it's like an A-shape chord, but you're using finger number 1 to play that E string on the 1st fret, and then you want to strum the bottom 4 strings. That is B flat. Okay, to play B flat, you just make the A chord on the 2nd fret with your 3 fingers, and then move those up 1 fret to the 3rd fret, and then you place finger number 1 on the 1st string of the 1st fret, and then you strum the bottom 4 strings. This is B flat. So place finger number 1 on string number 1 of the 1st fret, finger number 2 on the 4th string of the 3rd fret, finger number 3 on the 3rd string of the 3rd fret, and then your small finger, finger number 4 on the 2nd string of the 3rd fret, and then strum the bottom 4 strings. B flat. Okay, if you'd like to see more videos like this, be sure and give me the thumbs up. I'd appreciate it very much. And if you're not a current subscriber, please subscribe to my channel. I appreciate that as well. I'd like to thank all my current subscribers. Be sure and visit my playlist for other chords for your learning. So you have a great day. God bless you.